Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will. Anyways, very, very impressive day. Got the breakout through both of these areas of resistance. So a lot of updates need to be done here. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines here. Sure, those levels pertain, but they're just not really necessarily relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first big dynamic here that needs to be done is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see the MACD as support. And that's actually what played out here perfectly. So going into the day, I talked about this 265-ish area as that resistance. But when the price was broken above it right there, at that point, you would want to see it act as support. And check it out. The next several candles came back down and look right where they found support before finally bouncing back upwards. So, I mean, you could literally throw this thing right into a textbook. Truly a beautiful example of a resistance now turning as support. But also moving forward, by no means is that some sort of must-hold level. So if the price were to drop low there, that doesn't mean that the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But I mean, yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would certainly be a very impressive sign of power moving forward. And then, as I've talked about in past videos from more of the overarching standpoint, still all about that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. So from the overarching standpoint, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as the areas of resistance are now concerned, nothing fancy, nothing complicated here at all. Literally just a question of, okay, well, where did the party and momentum finally stop today? And that was right up there at 294. So all eyes on 294 moving forward, as that will be the next key break point. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher highs and higher lows, that is by far what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.